Hey folks, today a quick vid on putting the extended clutch cable on the 2021 KLX300. This is the clutch cable. The one I'm putting on is from a 2006 KLX 250, I believe. I have the part number here, I'll show you. And I'm going to show you the length here. I have my clutch cable already off. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. You can check out the info here. Okay, so there on the floor are the clutch cables. Now, this is the original. This is the one that I got to put on to lengthen this one. Somebody trying to call me. Now you can see I'm going to lay these together here as best I can with the ends lined up. Right there is what you're getting. I'm going to say that's probably 1 3/4 to 2 inches extra length that you're getting. And the reason that I'm doing this is because I have risers on here, if you can see them. I have this riser, I think that's a 10 or a 15 millimeter riser on there, and the cable worked, but it was tight. I don't think it was ever pulling on the clutch that I could tell, but I'm just going to throw this one on for a little bit of extra insurance here. So I'm going to go and get it fed up through the bike here, and then I'll kind of show you what you got to do to hook it up. And taking it off is basically the reverse of hooking it up here. So I'm going to go ahead and get it fed in, then I'll get back with you and show you what's up. Here is the Motion Pro part number 03-0236, and it is Motion Pro. Okay, now I have it fed up through the bike. Now what I have to do is, you got this bracket right here, got to take your cable, put that up in it, and it will slide back and stop. Then you got to get this retainer. Now I'm pushing this back, that's how I took it out. See if I can get it in this way. It goes in. You got to get it in there and then pull it out through like that. And it's tough to see probably with the camera, but you have this piece right here. That's what holds this from going anywhere once you get it in there and swing it back up like that. Now we can go up top and put it up in the upper section here. What I did is you take the cable first. Let me get out here a little bit. You put the cable in. You don't got to put, this isn't a loop. You just make sure the cable is through here, then feed it up through. I've got the goddamn camera all over the place. Feed it up through this loop. Then of course you'll go up where you took your old one out, up through this loop here. Then you may want to take your headlight off. I didn't have to. I just kind of angled it through over and popped it right up through here where it comes up from the factory here. Same place as the other one. So now I'm going to go ahead and get it fed in. Of course you got to get this barrel up in your lever. It's going to be a little hard to see everything I'm doing here. You got to have your lines lined up on here. You got your opening right there, your slit slot. Then of course you got to have it lined up with your perch here, and you got to get your barrel up in the bottom of this lever. Alright. This barrel. You want to make sure you have this collar threaded the whole way in as far as you can, with all the slots lined up. Hopefully my camera don't fall. Okay, I got that barrel up in there. Okay, slots are all lined up. Then you just gotta pull on this cable hard, and you'll get it in. You can see I have a ton of play there, so you gotta adjust everything back out to your factory play, probably like 1/8 of an inch or less. It's about what that is right there. Oh, you know what I forgot? Hold on, you got to put your rubber on, your booty. Don't forget your booty. I forgot my booty. So I got to kind of replay the, well, you'll get, excuse me. So you'll get to see how you got to take this out anyhow now. Pull on it. Everything's lined up. Take it out of that. Forgot this right here. Idiot. That's tight. Might have to spit on that. Okay. So now let's redo. Back up in. Line everything up. There. Now we can adjust out the play. And you can also adjust play down below, lower on the cable too, if you want to get some more slack out. Slide that back up on like that. I got to put my hand guard back together here, and then we'll be good to go. That cable was, and you can see there's plenty of room here now. Before, my cable was pretty taut going down there, and right now, you know, even with the bar turned, I have a little bit of a loop there, so it definitely helps out. You can see everything's in. Get that booty up on there. Everything's good there. Fits in there nice. Comes around. Got the same metal piece here. And there, you can take some more slack out in this if you would need to. Because they actually have, you can even see on the factory one, that was actually, they took some slack up there as opposed to up in the clutch perch. So I will keep this one for a spare. That would probably only take you, I mean, without filming it, that'll take you 5 minutes to pop that all off. And I had a hand guard that I had to take loose, so it actually added a little bit of extra time. But I'm going to get this bolted back up, and she'll be ready to roll. Remember to like, subscribe, get on your Cowie, get outside. We'll see you next time.